Today we're going to be looking at a bit of editing once again, but it's an MV, not the vlogs that we've been working on recently. So we're doing a bit of vlog editing. That's what we'll be handling. Let me just make sure everything is okay first. All screens are right. Yeah, everything is okay. So at least today we don't have any funny business. Mic is on. Camera is on. We're good to go. So the music I'm editing. Is the audio too loud? I hope the music is not too loud. Let's see. It does look loud, so I've reduced that. Yeah. So what we're looking at today is that, and let me switch to our scene. Gosh, I haven't even switched back to the editing software. So that's what we have today. For this one, let me just grab that. Yeah, we have that. And I might need to reduce. Let me just reduce the background audio a bit so that I put in the desktop audio so it doesn't end up being like a mix of both, because I know the desktop audio actually has the music playing, of course. So there's that. I don't know how it would be on your side, because there's the desktop and then there'll be the audio that I am actually editing. I really do hope that audio does not have any copyright, because that's what we'll be looking at all through today. I've been trying to do the scene selection. I'm currently still at I'm stuck, and that's what I'm working on. Let me just do like a quick playthrough of what we have so far, and then I'll let you know what I'm trying to do.
母さん、少し安心したよ。魔法が大好きなあんたが魔法使いと一緒に行きたい。父さんが病気で死んでそうさで。言わないよ。お母さんを一人になんてできないもん。ありがとう。優しい子だね、
Yeah, so that's what we have so far. The only part that I'm actually satisfied with so far is just this front portion, and I need like something more interesting, something that flows. So I was debating whether or not to try and look at different scenes, or should I just maintain here, because like I want to show the sadness of her losing her mom and her feeling helpless. That's like the main thing that I'm trying to portray. But when I look at what she's been going through, she's a very hopeful lady, and she's really kind, and like we don't see many scenes of her being down. And if she's being down, she's just sad for a bit, and then she's bouncing back once again. So that makes it difficult for us to see. I think I reduced the mic audio a bit. Let me just increase that. Yeah, I think that's enough. So that's what we're looking at. Let me just reduce this. I don't just go deaf. I think around 40 is good enough for me. No, I want the audio a bit loud. 60. You see, from this point, I feel like there's like so. Let's just. Maybe I can reduce this a bit. No. Okay, so there's that bit, it flows from here. So So I'm trying to do like a bit of a flow edit and then move into the continuation. I'll need to do some subtitles for this, especially this portion here. Yeah, just bring this here. So the main thing is just trying to find clips that actually suit what is going on and clips that flow. Maybe should I? Let me just also include that bit where she was actually swallowed by the ice. Include that portion. Oh, I dragged something else. Okay, let's try that. I really don't like it. Of course, it's very slow, but that's what is going on. So there's that part. I just see. Then she freezes. And then what? And then now it switches back up there. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining. Where is it? So there's that. So now what we need to try and do is try and clip out what we need. There she's freezing, and then now it moves to where this is the lighter. I think this is the lighter. No, that's her hand, so that's the lighter. Just clip out where this clip begins, and then see where we can place it and how we can actually make it work. If this was a twisted clip, this would be perfect. This is a perfect one. That means we'll need to do I have the ooh? I think the ooh script. I don't have, do I? You. Nope, I don't have it. Yeah, I don't have it. There is that. I think they say that ooh script usually helps to make the Twixter easier. I'll just do that later on. What is this clip doing here? Oh, is there another clip blocking? But I know this screaming bit should be here. Let's try that. Might need to do a bit of masking as well. But a clip like this one here is perfect to mask. You see this one here? I love her scream. Yeah, that part. I was trying to adjust it so that that beat lands with where there's impact and then there's these things popping in. Because we're mostly trying to make use of what the existing clips have and then we'll add to it. If we do. Just clip exactly where it just page up, page down. So at that point, remove that. Because I believe that there's still some. So the problem was. Okay, just delete this other one and clip this. and try and move and adjust this because she moves a bit there. Maybe somewhere here. There, he grabs her. He grabs her. And then maybe we can now introduce this part of the clip. Thank you so much. Welcome for joining. What the hell was that? Welcome for joining. Thank you so much. No, that doesn't work. Na, 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 broken angel, come and hold me before I fall. Okay, so there's this part. I'm just trying to make sure it fits. See. What was that? Still need to drag it out. Okay, let's see. Then maybe let me just drag that and bring this back here. Like more, it's a lot of trial and error actually. Oh, yeah, like can I, this is like the scream. Okay. Maybe just drag it and just get the full on sound effect all the way. Let me change its color so that I know this is the sandstone. No, that's a color of a pre-comp. Aqua. Oh, aqua is the same color. Just a moment. Lavender. Yeah, it's cute. Okay, save this, save that, and then let's see if it flows. That's the issue with such edits. You go over and over and over and over. Now let's see if it works. Oh, okay, got an idea. Maybe because you know she did a lot of drawing here, a lot of drawing, a lot of drawing. I'll need to make another edit of this one. See that clip? This is a very cute clip. I think I'll include it in another edit. What? Did did he detect her? Oh, how did the guy find out? Okay, maybe I'll try that. And up to there. Let's try that one out. Huh? What was I doing all this time? No, please. I was looking at the wrong thing. So let's go back to that episode. Should I also include where she was so curious about? Maybe. I feel like I feel like it's like part of the storytelling. Welcome. Thank you for joining. I feel like it'll be part of the storytelling where we include her like putting the ink, trying the drawing out stuff, and then finding out and struggling because she did it like several times through the night. Let me just get that clip and then see if we'll use it. In the end, I might just be like talking big, saying how important it is in the clip, and then it ends up not being relevant. But oh, I love this. I love that. Look at that. She made like little fireworks. It's very amazing. But I don't understand why this guy, like, how did he find out like something is off? You see that? So I think maybe, oh, that's the one. That's the one. I think that's the one she drew. This one, the dragon. Okay, let's just take all that and let's see what we can do about it. Maybe we won't really show her tracing the dragon. Maybe that a bit. And welcome. Thank you so much for joining. Please like and support. Follow the channel. Tap on the screen. So we have this bit that has that area. And then we have, let me do a bit of the candle just to show how busy she is. And then now we go into her completing the magic circle. Okay, maybe we'll just do this because the first other bit is being taken by that clip that has the guy approaching her. So we just drag these three. And then there's this part where he's screaming at her, asking her what magic did you draw? What did you draw and stuff? Here. Here. Maybe maybe this clip can now be introduced before this screaming and stuff comes in. But I thought the screaming and stuff was already set well. Let's see if we can just remove it. Okay, I know I like it, but let me just put it at the top so that we don't mess up what is going on down there. Hey, that's a massive thumb. That's a massive profile. It's like an egg. Gosh. I didn't expect to see that one. All the rest have been seeing like the same type of round one, and then all of a sudden that oval one that comes in that gets overlaid by the next viewer. That's an interesting one to look at. Let's see. I think this can be a nice mask. Welcome. The white screen makes it a really good mask. And maybe I should just start from where she drew the line and not where she put the dot. Because she has a really steady arm. Just trying to make sure it's still detecting the camera. Is that, and then there's this. Will they be used? I don't know. Will we continue cutting and trying to get the clips? Yes, we will. There was that shot where she fixed her hair. There. That's the one I wanted. So this. Did I cut it out? I like that. Okay, so we've grabbed three little clips and we want to see what will go where and what will suit where. So he was asking like, what did you draw? Maybe we can now move this. Let's try out. I think screen. Screen is the one that usually works out with white. It's not working out this time. So screen is the one for the black screen. Maybe overlay. That doesn't work. It looks like a clean one. Let's just mask it. Let's make sure the view is in full. And then we mask it out. Just a bit of the masking. See how that will look like. Oh. What? That's the wrong. Oh, that's a. I clicked the wrong one. Frame mismatch. Why there frame mismatch? So there's that. So it's not going to mask because of a frame mismatch. So let's just do Control Shift C and then call it pen tool. Pen. Did I? Control Z. What's going on? Control Z. Control Shift C, and I said I'll call it pen tool. Okay. Then we go back here. Composition settings 23. So we're good. Let's try that out now. But the last time there was an issue, they said frame mismatch, but I think my frame rate is 30 for the edit. And then this one is otherwise. Let's try that out and then see how that will be. Reduce this. Get the tip. No, you see here the tip. The tip is not exactly what we want. Get the fingers. Get rid of that white spot. Get the tip. Oh, that's not a tip. Like, it's not getting the glowy bit. I wonder if the 2026 version of After Effects has, if it has this object masking tool similar to what the Premiere Pro one has. It's very close to what Photoshop has, actually. Just a moment. Yeah, it's very similar to what Photoshop has. The one that has the object selection, or you just click on the image and it clicks on the whole image as a whole. You don't have to like start painting over it to mask it out. Freeze frame, and then let's do. We have 48 frames. Okay, I hope it's good, and we don't have some funny business going on. Maybe I should just also take a copy that will be used Come on, go. You need to start from the beginning. Let's take you back to quarter. Control V, bring you all the way. And now for this one, I don't want a roto. So I'll just hide that. Okay, let's see how that is. She's moving too slow. Okay. Then maybe scale. Just like just doing random stuff. Oh, this is the clip where she was drawing. Let's just of course, yeah. I was wondering how comes it's because of this clip here at the top. Ugh. I was wondering what's going on. What's going on? You see that? So we have this. Then I want this point is where now the next clip comes in. Oh no. Let's just put that on silent. What did that flicker? Oh. So just delete that. Maybe just delete that. If we need it, we'll come back for it. I want it to look to be like a transition from this, from nothingness to this. But how do I do that? Maybe just moves up to this point and it just something like that. Let's see. That's a line and this is a circle. Two different things completely. This okay, there's that. Maybe I'll do like an opacity thingy. Okay, I don't know why I'm doing opacity when I'm just supposed to be scene selection, scene selecting. Ooh, that's bad. That's bad. Keyframe assistant, time reverse. Time reverse that thing. Maybe we also do this clip, this clip. But you know, the more we go into her struggling and learning, it loses the point of the lyrics completely. But I just want to show that this was what she was doing before she brought about the demise of her parent. Oh no, it disconnected. The camera is the camera back? The camera just disconnected. Oh, it's back. It disconnected like in a few seconds and then it just came back. Now, because I feel like it, I want to pull a knife for my stream. Silver knife. I got a silver knife today. So sad. I'm doing my own pulls. Should I put this one, or I think what I should do is I get the other one, not this one. The other one. Go back. The one before she like completed the thing. Yeah, this one. Come on. I wanted to see her draw it. No, it doesn't seem like it shows that. Maybe I'll just do that bit. Okay. Maybe we'll do that and then she takes it out. Pull it out. Okay, there. I need some. I know I liked how she did that. Yeah, I need more of the hand. Yeah, that looks nice. That looks really nice. So let's try that there. I don't think we had saved. Now we've saved. There. This is like the beginning of all demise. But the moment she finished that, then let's see how we can. There were this other. What is this here? I don't remember what this clip is. Let's see. Oh, did I still use it? Yeah, I still did. So just crop that bit, and also here crop it all the way. And this, are we using this? Oh yeah, that's the pen. So that comes here. And then this is the original, isn't it? And what are these? Still continuation. And this, That's the original. That's the original. Let's see. So he told her, "What did you draw?" Blah 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 blah. Shouted at her. Then I want to just drag all this and then bring it here. But of course, the syncing of the audio will be off, completely off. So now that's where Oh no, sorry. Oh no, I didn't realize. Sorry. I didn't realize I muted it. I think I muted it when I fixed the mic a moment ago. I don't even know if it was before I greeted you or after I greeted you. Anyway, I had welcomed you to the stream and thanked you so much for coming to join. And also, how is your day? How's everything? I hope you've had a good one. Thank you so much for letting me know about the mic. Think I'll have to tilt this thing and then let the mute button be on the other side. Okay, that's good. Because you can see it has this swipe to mute feature. It's very convenient, but also it's so annoying. Yeah, my day has been good. I've been trying to make a new edit. I remembered this Broken Angel music. I used to love it back in the years. And I said, let me just find an edit audio and try and do that. So after all that whole thought process, the thing was to use Witch Hat Atelier. I don't know how that is mentioned, how that is pronounced. Atelier. Okay, so to use that anime and put it in there to do like something sad-ish. So I don't know if it's going to bring in the sad thing I'm trying to do. I think I should just mask out this the write up here. This thing. It's not really. I didn't realize it had all these messy features. Let's shift the edge. Yeah, the song is really interesting. I don't know what year. I think around 5 years ago. This is 5 to 7 years. I think that's when the song was out, if I'm not wrong. So it decided it's not masking it out. So the other thing is just to do this and bro. If oh, I'm supposed to unfreeze. Okay. Okay, at least I've gotten rid of that. Maybe add an overlay. I was trying to do it like an overlay, like so that it like comes in, and then this one is just do an opacity. and then these other clips just like shift or just change, like, because it's yeah, masking is terrible. It's terrible. I had that. Have you used the new, what do you call it, the new After Effects, the 2026 one? Because the Premiere Pro 2026 has introduced a masking very similar to the Photoshop one, that has the object detection. But I don't know if that has also been introduced in After Effects in the new one, because it's not there. But the roto is more accurate as compared to how it used to be. Okay, I think the it having that line thing is actually, it's good enough. It's good now that it doesn't have that line. I didn't drag her all the way out. Oh, sorry, I didn't need to do that. V. Put it there. Let's see if we can do like 2020. Oh, okay. 2020, the masking, the roto it's still not good, right? Yeah, I think that came out well. Maybe I can also do a fade here. Also do a fade. Let's do F9 to that. I think I can also do a fade here. Okay, I think that bit actually works out surprisingly. Mocha Pro, they say it's so good. Mocha Pro, I think Mocha comes with the After Effects nowadays. Let's see. Let me just select a clip. I think I saw it somewhere. Mocha. Is it this one? Mocha AE. This one. The tracking one. Is it this? That's the one that comes with AE. I've seen it being used when they try to do like you mask something and then track it. Let's say a screen, a shot, something like that. Is the beat? I think it's this one. Oh, mockup. Okay, I haven't. I don't have it. I don't have it. Maybe I can try and check it out. I've written it down. I'll check it out. Is it like a separate software like Topaz, but for masking, or is it like a plugin? Oh no, why is it doing that? This is messed up. It's telling me uh I had TikTok also live, and it's telling me it was not detecting the thing. Okay, so the camera is not also detecting. Things are just deciding they want to do whatever it is they want to do, bro. Yeah, I hadn't realized that the camera had gone off. a plugin. I'll try and I'll have a look at it and see how that works out. Because sometimes you really want to do these really want to do these masks, but when you think about the process, you get discouraged. It completely discourages you. Let's go back to scene. By the way, I did this knife pull thingy for the stream. I don't know if I know it works on Twitch. I don't know if it works on YouTube. Could you try it out? Exclamation pull. It works on Twitch. I don't know about YouTube. And see if that is going to be triggered. Exclamation PULL. Yeah, that bit. I don't want that. Let's see. Page down, page down, page down. I think it's this. Let's try that out. Let's try now bringing all this. I know I keep on moving them as a whole. Save. Yeah, this one. Let us fix this first. What I prefer is when the audio comes in and like the scene is not yet ready for us. So oh no, that is too much. I'll just do this clip. That means I'll have to drag everything to the right. But first, that means let's just deal with this and just move it there. Let's try that. I know I still need to sync all that. The problem is I never did the beat markers because for some reason I always do it out of sync when I do the pointers, and I'm not a fan of the beat marker thingy. I think it was I keep on losing it unless I uninstalled it. Beat sync. No, it's not there. I don't know. I'll have to go back and look for. I think it was beat sync. Thank you. It looks like it's coming up well. Okay. But that part is still under our. See, this is like the main part. You see that it goes down, and then the main beat comes around here. Let's show you there. Here, this is the silent part. Then the main beat comes around here. So you can see this is nothing main, and also this is nothing main. So that's the problem we are having. Unless I don't include her running away. I don't include her running away and just move on directly to this clip. So these two clips maybe get out and then I work with these. Let's try that out. Bring you back here. Let's just save that again. Bit of that, and then I'm thinking where this beat drop is, maybe we can bring this in. And then I was thinking, let's do full. Maybe we do a bit of masking for that one as well. Just somewhere here at the front. It's coming out well, right? So let's try out this masking bit and then we go back and look at it. And it's moving so blurry, so is that really going to even detect? We're not going to get a good mask out of that. Maybe I should have downloaded the Mocha Pro first. Okay, it's doing something. There's quite a lot of errors. Doing a lot of funny business. It even didn't get the fingers. Because you know there's so much blue in the screen. There's so much blue in the screen. I don't think I want this part. But let's do it and then I'll just crop it out. Use curve. Okay, okay. Let's do curve. Oh, it helps. It does help with the contrast. No, I want that darker. Yeah, let's try that. Roto, bro. Roto. They'll tell me to redo the roto, won't they? Cannot be added until a frame has finished rendering. I know, that's obvious. Okay, let's see what you got. It does look a bit better, doesn't it? Let's see. It got the fingers this time. Yeah, really did work. But here, oh, it also got that finger that it missed last time. It's a bit better. It really did help. Thank you. Do a bit of that. Yeah, I think that's all I need. I don't need to continue all the way. We might not even end up using... the camera disconnect. Oh, it's back. This camera bro is testing my patience today. Listen to my... Okay, let's do a 0. Let's try that out. F9. Where's F9? What is this clip? Oh no, it's stuck. Stop moving. It was stuck. It was just moving on its own. The mask looks okay. So I want this up to here. Is this where the bit is? Or is it here? Really? Here? I doubt. It's the one that has the audio. I'll just bring it back. And what does this have? What's this? Oh, I don't need that clip then. You see that bit? I want this somewhere there. Just find. Yeah, it's here. There. Yeah. Yeah, it flows really well. I love it. It looks good. Let's see what happens if we drag this. This is still part of the hand. So up to there. And then, so what we can do, so that we drag this thing out. You can see right here, I need something else here. This is there's a bit thingy here. But what do I include from here? There's this. Use Twixed out time remapping. I mean, this clip would be perfect if we Twixed it, but wow, that thing's going on here crazy. There's so much motion. Because what I would like, you see here, if this would go slow, and then now where it drags her in, it goes fast. That's what I would really prefer. But dragging it all the way here, I doubt. I just duplicate that. It's been a while since I've done Twixter. I usually use Twixted clips. And I don't have the ooh. What do you usually use to do your Twixters? I think I use my ooh. I use ooh. I don't remember where I installed it. Let's do it the old school way then. Because I don't remember. Don't remember another way. I'll just do the old way. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hey! 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. You see, this is where the problem with the Twixter will come in. You see that one? That change is not good for us. And there's all that and just drag it in. Do I have Twixter? Ah. Ah. I don't have it. I knew I've been depending too much on the Twixted, the already Twixted clips. It's not fair. Ah, I shouldn't have done that. Now I don't remember. I have to reinstall Twixter. I just put that. I don't have Twixter. You know, I switched from, I think, was it 2024? Ah, think I. So maybe another option is, huh. Another option is installing it right now. Can install it right now. I think I must have it because I used to have it before. Let's see where my plugins. Plugins. Software. I'll find Twitch here. Twitch and Influx. Just get. I don't have it. Imagine that is like one main, very important plugin that is used. I don't have it. Oops, there's something I need to switch. Yeah. So let's just get Twixter. Control F. Where is Twixter? Adobe plugins. Twixter is, it's not red. Oh, Mocha Pro, I see it. No, but that's not what I'm here for. Twixter. Twixter version 8.1. And I'll also download Mocha while I'm at it. Twixter, 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 Twixter. Let's see the download instructions. Copy and paste into the plugins folder. Good. And this is very straightforward. I like these ones that are straightforward. It's not so dramatic. I just copy and paste, and then we're done. So why didn't I have it? Yeah, Twixter Pro. Twixter Pro. Wait, but it's just Twixter. I think Twixter Pro comes inside Twixter because it's not here. Mocha Pro is there, but Twixter Pro is not. Oh, I should have installed the revision bundle instead. It has RSMB. And I don't have RSMB. So I think we can do with the Twixter. Then we'll. I think we can just deal with the Twixter for now. And that's being said, let me just switch off After Effects and restart it. After Effects, please go off so that we can restart. Mocha I'll download later. It looks like it's a big one. It's taking some time. And After Effects is not going off. Seriously. Seriously. I'm going to pull a knife then. Let's see. Exclamation. It's last time I got a silver knife. I got a bronze knife now. I got a bronze knife. That works. Okay, After Effects it is off. It's off now. Let me put it back on and make sure everything is ready or everything is there. Yeah, it's massive. It's so long. It's so long. Really also need to get RSMB. If you don't have RSMB, please do. That is some very smooth, that is super intense on the machine. I think that's why I didn't get it. But it's very smooth. Let's see. Are we back on? They did detect us. Still opening the project. Let me confirm if I have Twixtor, if the Twixtor came in first. Yeah, Twixtor Pro. Both. All are there. Twixtor, Twixtor Pro, and the Twixtor Pro Vector in. They're all there. They're all there. So now I do the oh I should have downloaded the ooh bro. Ah. So let me see. There's something you had said. Add Twixtor and do the same thing. Okay. I think I'm supposed to like Control Shift C first. I forgot. And I have a tutorial in my channel. Twixtor Pro. Oh yeah, I remember there was something where we were doing it at this was inverse with smart blend. This was motion weighted blend. This was I think I think it changed. This is where we used to put the setting. In FPS is out FPS. In FPS is out FPS. Input frame rate. Frame rate, and then it was an average of 5. And we have 29. Was it 7? And then wow, I don't know what these are. I'll have to go and research. Speed. I think you usually start with 100 and then set it to 20. Is that it? And then we also need to have enable time remapping on. Wow! What is that? Look at that. It's terrible. $20 to $300. It's moving terribly. Today is, let's see that. I want it to end here. I have a terrible warping. Maybe I can change this. I don't know what that does. Oh, no, I'm not teaching. I'm actually trying out. I'm trying to do Twixtor. I'm trying to do Twixtor for this clip that is here. Gavin. Trying to do this Twixtor clip for the edit. Okay, let's play it for Gavin to see. Gavin just got in. Is it still here? I don't know. Wait, but I can't hear. Preferences. Let me just fix my audio. It's like it. Oh, welcome, Void. Welcome back. Oh, my headphones are off. Okay, I didn't realize. I hadn't even realized that the headphones had gone off because of charge. The things went off. So just. I'm sure these are going to be louder. I don't like it. It was so much fun listening to it through the headphones, but I'll need to charge those first. It's terrible. It's terrible. No, maybe 12. No, I don't like it at all. It's not giving. It's not giving. This is not it. Image prep. Let's try contrast. Contrast and that enhance whatever. There's so much warping. Oh no, it's not a good clip for even worse. Let's try upper field and okay. No. Unfortunately, this is not suitable for us. It doesn't work. It really doesn't. Let's just it's off sync because I think I you see that? It's off sync. Come on. Or maybe I can just let this clip go on. Huh? I can just let that clip proceed. Let me just bring in the curve so that it's the same. And I let it be, actually. I think it's this one. We're done with this clip. Let's just remove all these things that don't really need to be here. So we have this. Maybe might have that. This is just her just crying. Broken angel. Okay, here where he now jumps out. On that bit where he's jumping here. And let's see, where the beat drops, we also drop him. Here. I'll need this somewhere. We got rid of this. Remember, that is gone, and also this. This one, we will need it, but I think I can introduce it after this one. Maybe it comes in, that comes in, and then this. Maybe let the hand in the dark and then add with it and add with it an overlay that matches the next clip. The hand in the dark. An overlay that matches with the next clip. I don't get it. Because you see, this clip is her trying to reach out to this. What is going on here? This is her mom, her frozen mom. So she's running. She warns her mom. She's running. She tries to reach out. Boom, 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 boom. She's dragged out. She's she just carried out and just taken into the air here. Maybe we will add some overlays, but it's currently the scene selection bit that is going on. And this part where it's just screen moving, if we could at least see him, it would have been good. There. Might need to step out for a bit. And this such a clip is actually not a good one for an edit because we cannot see anything. As a beginner, you should focus on on the basics and nothing else. I believe we have discussed that before, Mr. Divine. As a beginner, the basics are everything. Where's the clip where she was crying? Is it this one? I think maybe the audio can begin from here. Just I'll need to step out. Mr. Divine, you can come and continue doing the edit if you'd like. The basics are everything you need. Come and talk to the come and talk to the viewers. No, that's what you want to do. Just come and talk to the viewers. I want to step out a bit. Let me just get that bit of audio. I mean, you can just go on call. Come on, just go on call and then you do what you do best. Okay, there's that, and then yeah, I'll add the text. I'll add text. I'll add the subtitles. Some for the audio for this, and some for the music. But currently, you know how I usually do my editing is I focus on like the scene selection. Once I'm done with that scene selection bit, then now I start doing what do you call it? Any bit that requires overlays, effects, transitions. Just listen to.
Go. Put the character.
I think I'll just take it from that point there and include. I'll include that with the with the subtitles.
Hello. Hello, Takumi.
Yeah, he's already been around. I told you, I knew you wanted to come and talk to the viewers.
Who is that?
Who do you think it is?
That guy, that divine guy was asking some weird questions. He's been in this stream so many times.
I think I'll need this clip, but I need to go back and I'll need to go back and see what type of I don't remember the meanings of that part of the line. Shakwambia Hebrew is greeting you.
How are you?
Let me step out a bit and let's leave my friend here to talk to you. Why are you panicking? You can edit. You know how to edit.
Are you sure you want me to edit?
No, I don't want you to edit. You just look through.
I'll edit.
Through them. Look through them. Don't mess up. I just saved.
Sawas, you've already saved. If I do my own thing.
Yeah, do your own thing. But don't save.
Oh, sir. It won't auto save.
Yeah.
It's Asa. Asa. I'm also doing well. How long have you been editing for? I'm helping my friend edit. She's going to be back in a slight moment. How long have you been editing for, Takumi? this one all right. How do I go right?
What?
Go right.
You should drive it to the right. It's already at the end. That's the farthest.
Yes, that is the only thing.
Yeah, that's all.
Let me help you edit.
That's a whole 30 seconds.
Hindi 34 mpaka 36.
Yeah, that's a 2 seconds. Can't you see it's from 0? Did you delete my things?
I didn't. They delete it.
Enable here.
This.
This dot. Now you want to lock, unlock it.
I didn't lock it.
I didn't lock. I'm right there. Huh?
Oh, okay. Personally, for me, I do the same thing sometimes. And if okay, so as you can see, what my friend did over here, it's pretty interesting. How do you think this anime is? Have you watched it? Which headphones?
I say you told me to switch on.
Hmm?
When nasikia sauti ya my headphones kizima.
When you came in, nilikuwa naziosha. Look, I didn't know what you're using.
What you don't pale. You want to make noise. Drag. You want to drag. Okay, I'm back now. Um, uh, Hopefully you got a bit not bored. You got a bit of storytelling with about your pet and I don't know all other random stuff. This audio is so loud. They must have increased the audio.
I've not.
It's actually a very nice anime. I highly recommend. I highly recommend you watching it. I really do recommend watching it. It not only has a very nice storyline, it also has very good animation and graphics. Just look at her eyes. Look at that. It's very clean, very beautiful. So we were at this bit. I still feel like integrating another episode here would be good, but I want to like just end it somehow. You can see having this clip, this one here is not really a good one at all. I don't like it. This one also doesn't work. Okay, maybe this one will work, but this one this yeah, so that's the bit I want to do. I still feel like it really would require another. These episodes, this not episodes, but these remaining clips that I have here are not giving at all. Because the other clip that we can use is I saw one that looked beautiful. It's this one. But the issue is this the credits. The issue is the credits going on here. That's the problem that we're facing. And if it was possible to like completely get rid of that, that would be very beneficial. I'm not a fan of putting credits, letting the credits being on edits. I don't like it. But it's such a beautiful clip. You see that? That just what is that? That was the wrong one, sorry. This is it. Is there a place where you can get this specific clip without the credits? I'll need to include that. I like that turn, but the credits are not giving at all. What is she saying? Yeah, I really do recommend. Oh, this clip here doesn't have this one here. Nice, 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 nice. This one here doesn't have the credits. What is she saying though? Will you keep your promise? Yes, of course I will. I think that's what he said. Oh, nice! I like that clip. Huh? That's cute. Let's see what else we can. Oh, I want that one. Yeah. Why did it disconnect? The camera disconnected, bro. It did. I don't know why. I don't understand why. It's not detecting at all. So many issues because it's about time for me to end stream. Maybe that's why all these issues are coming up. Okay. We're good. So I want that clip and that one. At least we could get it, you know. I'll do that. And then just end with this. I think I can do that. Let's see. Yeah, I'll do a trickster for that one. You see that? Let's try that. I messed it. I messed it again. What is this clip? I don't know. I'm sure I'll find out somewhere. Oh, this one. This is it. Ah. And I don't know when that happened. Okay, I think I'll actually need to sit down and think about what is going on here. And this losing this clip, yeah, I think it was this one. I'll just put that and then I think I can just call it a day. Hmm? I'll call it a day. Thank you so much for being around today and watching. I'll do a bit of editing later on. Let's see. I'll do a bit of editing later on so that I'm sure this audio was down here, somewhere here. Yeah, that's it. That's it for today. Thank you so much for joining, for being here, for watching. This bit, of course, still needs to be worked on, and I'm quite in a rush right now. I cannot do that because it's about time and I need to go. That being said, I really appreciate it once again for you being here and hanging around and watching and just enjoying the stream. Um, I hope you've subscribed and let your notifications be on so that you can actually get the notif next time I stream, because my streams are actually rather random. So yes, that that should actually be all. There's nothing more to be said to it. And bye bye. I really appreciate you being here. Goodbye once again, and thank you so much for watching.